Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So as usual, before we see the intraday level and analysis for 26th of July, let us do the post market analysis very quickly. So I had mentioned the strong and good support resistance zone and also a no trade zone. So let us see how the market behaved. Okay, we saw some panic situation at around 9:30 a.m. where we saw a big downfall and then market recovered the same. It bounced back quickly and then it went ahead. Okay, so I had already suggested you that do not take trade in this particular zone, no trade zone, that was between 34,700 to 800. Let it either cross above 800 or below 700. Okay, so that was the main important thing, and the same things, see how people are learning and following. Stock market is not just uh, entering into any trade, taking trade at any point. Guys, you need to have patience. Okay, and patience will always pays you. So this is what I want to show an example. So this I had shared post on TradingView, and one of my follower who replied to this particular post that it was a great analysis and he earned a profit of 2500 with one lot. I hope you are able to see. Let me zoom it. Okay, so you can see great analysis. He earned a profit of 2000 and I requested him to share the trade details. So on what basis he took the trade and how my analysis helped him. So you can see his reply. As suggested, this level was no trading zone and the support level was at 34,500 and resistance at this. So I waited for market to settle. This is very important. This is what shows how patient you are. Let the market show you the move and then take the trade. So this is how he took the trade. So what he did, smart work. This is very smart work. Okay, so he placed the two orders, one CE and one PE, at around 11 am with targets of 100 points. So he had placed the two orders, one for CE above no trading zone and one for PE below trading zone. Okay, and this is how he earned 100 points in CE, where we can see over here at 11:45. Okay, right here. So if the market breaks the no trading zone above, then I had suggested to take the trade, and if market breaks or comes down below this particular no trading zone, then we have to enter into the short sell or downfall, or we can enter into the sell side trade. So this is how he followed and he got 100 points in CE. So this is what I wanted to show, guys, that you need to uh, keep patience and take trade. Market will definitely reward you. Okay, so this was a quick analysis regarding the Friday's trading session. Now let us see what do we have for Monday, that is 26th of July. So let us first see what are the levels. So strong support at 34,000, stronger support is at 34,500, and a strong resistance level is at 34,800. So I have also marked the strong support zone between 34,800 to 700, upper at 35,500 we have a strongest resistance, and above that we have a strong or good resistance, we can say, at 35,700. We have a stronger resistance zone between 35,200 to 35,350. Why I have marked this 350? If you just narrow down the graph, you can see the market has taken the resistance from this particular level. Okay, so this level, it can act as a resistance, which is 350. So this was the important resistance level. Most important and crucial level would be 35,000. So based on the market's opening, this level would act as a support if market opens above 35,000, and if it opens below with a good gap, then it would act as a resistance level. Okay, so do not initially jump into the trade. Let the market show its initial move, and then go for trading. So let us see how to take the trade. Let us consider if market opens above. So above means at least 35,050 level. Okay, 50 to 70 level, this particular level where we can see the high of this particular candle. If it opens above, then go for buying. Then we can see that market could face a resistance from 35,200 to 300 levels, and it may come down. So I have drawn one more important trend line, so you can clearly see the market has been trading on this trend line. If market opens gap up, it would face a resistance from this particular level, come back to this trend line, and there may be again two possibilities. It may bounce back as well, or we can see a breakdown of this trend line as well. Why? Because if we see the market or bank nifty has been taking support of this trend line for multiple of times, more than 2 times. This is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third, and here you can see this is the fourth. So, and this is a 15-minute time frame, so even you can also draw the same trend line on the 15-minute chart and then convert your chart to 5-minute chart. Okay, so based on this you can take the trades. What if market opens gap down below 35,500? Then we can see a reversal from this particular level 34,800, which is acting as a strong support zone. And even if market breaks this level, then market can come to 34,500 levels, from where we can see a bounce back as well. So there is more possibility of a sideways if market sustains above 35,000, because we have a strong resistance zone at upper end. So market can trade between 35,000 to 35,350 levels for sideways. And one more thing regarding my analysis, as I have predicted yesterday that market would open gap up, we saw the same gap up. So one more request from my side, guys, please do not enter into the trade without stop loss. Okay, so you might have seen how many retail traders might have got trapped into this situation of a sudden downfall and a sudden bounce back. So always place a stop loss for your trade. So it's good to book a small loss rather than a big loss. So your small loss will be covered in a one big profit. Okay, so this is one golden rule. And second golden rule would be, please follow the market and trade. Do not predict the market. Okay, I hope you like my analysis. So please share it with your friends so that they too get benefit. How I showed you an example, one of my friend or one of my follower who is getting benefit of my analysis and trading himself. Okay, so try to trade, learn these things and then trade. Market is very easy, it is not complicated. Many people make things complicated. You need to understand the formation of basic candlestick patterns and the support and resistance. So based on only these three things factor, you can easily take trade and be on a profitable side. So if you like my analysis, please share with your friends so that they too get the benefit and they too earn rather than losing money into the market. And please subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.